Hello, friends! Welcome back to Miss Jessica's Preschool. And today we're doing more pumpkin things. Do you like pumpkins? You do? Good! So do I. All right, friends, let me show you what we're going to do today. First, we're going to sing a good morning song for circle time. Then I have a story I'm going to tell you. After that, we're going to sing a pumpkin song. Then look at this. We're going to make a project together. Oh, that's going to be fun. And then we'll sing the goodbye song. All right, let's start with circle time. So first, friends, we're going to get our hands ready because we're going to wave to each other. And it goes like this. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, my friends. Good morning to you. Good morning, everyone. I'm so happy you could join us today. All right, that was circle time. So now, friends, I'm going to tell you a story. Today for my story, I need an orange paper and my scissors. I'm going to tell you a story using these things today. The story goes like this. There once was a little old lady who lived in an orange house. It was shaped like a half circle with a chimney at the bottom. That's a crazy house. The little old lady had a cat with a curvy tail. Oh my goodness, look at how curvy the cat's tail is. Oh my word, a curvy tail. And this little old lady, she really liked to wear a triangle hat every day. Here's her triangle hat. And she had 2 birds. And she made special windows in her house so the birds could fly in and out of the window all day long. Oh boy, here comes the circles for those windows. And you know what kind of house she lived in? She lived in a jack-o'-lantern house. Oh my goodness, look friends. Her house is shaped like a jack-o'-lantern. Here's the cat's tail. And her triangle hat turned into that, and her 2 windows for her 2 birds. That is such a silly, silly story. Okay, friends, story's done. I'm going to take this down. And so now we're going to sing a pumpkin song. It is called 10 Little Pumpkins. So we're going to use our fingers to help us count. We're going to start with 1. Say, get your 1 finger ready. It goes like this. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little pumpkins, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little pumpkins, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little pumpkins, 10 little pumpkins in a pumpkin patch. Oh my goodness, now we can go back down. We're going to start at 10 and we're going to put our fingers down. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little pumpkins, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little pumpkins, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little pumpkins, 1 little pumpkin in the pumpkin patch. There's only 1 left. Oh my word. And you know what? I just noticed Miss Jessica has some things on her fingers because I was doing a project today and I'm going to show you that next. So music is all done, friends. Let me show you my project, and you can try this at home, or you could pause the video right now, have somebody at your house say pause the video, and you can go get the things that you need. Let me show you what you need. You need a piece of paper, just a white piece of paper is fine. Now I put mine on a clipboard so I could show you. I can hold up my paper easier if it's on a clipboard. And you need some orange paint. Okay, and now do you see what I poured this in? We keep our yogurt containers. Yogurt used to be in here. We keep our yogurt containers so that we can use them again. Okay, so you could just, if you have some orange paint, you could use that. All right, now let me show you what you're going to do next. And the other thing you might need is a brown brown and green marker crayons or colored pencils is fine too. And another one, if you have a favorite color, you could get your favorite color too. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Remember our song that we just sang about those 10 little pumpkins? They were in a pumpkin patch. So we are going to make a pumpkin patch. So take your white paper and get your paint. And we are not using paintbrushes today. No way. We are using our fingers. So pick which finger you want to use. Just one finger is okay for now. I am going to pick my thumb, or you could pick your pointer finger, or even your pinky is fine. Okay, I'm going to use my thumb and I'm going to dip it in the paint. Okay, oh boy. I'm going to put it in the paint. Now it kind of drips a little bit because this is I have really watery paint. So I just wiped a little off the side. And now I'm going to make some fingerprints. So I push down and I pick it back up again. And I push down and I pick it up. Uh-oh, I think I need some more paint on my finger. So I'm going to dip it back in. And now I'm going to push down and up and down and up. Oh boy, look at that, friends. Now, your thumb is all dirty. So I just have a Kleenex nearby and I'm just going to wipe my thumb on the Kleenex to get some of it off. I can wash my hands later. And now, friends, you can take your brown marker or crayon or colored pencil and draw some stems. Pumpkins have stems on the top, and pumpkins also grow on vines. So I've got my green marker and I'm going to try to draw a vine. The vines kind of connect all the pumpkins together and they're kind of swirly like this. And so I'm even going to draw some swirls, and maybe I can even, sometimes there's like leaves on the stem. So I'm going to draw kind of like ovals on the vine, because the pumpkin leaves kind of look like that when they're growing. Oh boy, isn't that a great pumpkin patch? That's really fun to do. And then even if you want to, you can add a sun, maybe some clouds, and maybe draw some dirt down here. Oh, where'd my brown marker go? I want to draw some dirt because my pumpkins are going to be growing in the pumpkin patch. So here's the dirt that they're growing on. All right, and then don't forget, try to write the first letter of your name. If you know how to write all the letters in your name, that's great. You can go ahead and do that. But if you just know how to make your first letter, that's okay. My name is Jessica, and I start with a J. That's my first letter of my name. So I'm going to make a J right here, and I used my favorite color. I love pink. So I made a J. So everybody knows that this is my art that I made. All right, now I'm going to let this dry because the paint is still wet. So I'm going to put it in a safe spot right over here so it can dry. All right, friends, that is such a fun project to make. And maybe you have gone to a pumpkin patch, so you know that that's what a pumpkin patch looks like. All right, now we're going to sing the goodbye song. Okay, friends, there's actions that go with this. So you can do it with your hands. The actions are, you can use your hands for them. It goes like this. See you later, alligator, after while, crocodile, in an hour, sunflower, maybe two, kangaroo, gotta go, buffalo, adios, hippo, chow chow, brown cow, see ya soon, baboon, adieu, cockatoo, better swish, jellyfish, chop chop, lollipop, gotta run, skeleton, bye bye, butterfly, better shake, rattlesnake, our day now ends, so goodbye, good friends. Bye, friends. Thanks for staying and learning about pumpkins with me. I'll see you next week for some Halloween things.